From contextualization to textualization. So again, always start with a problem, never start with the text. Okay, start with a problem that gives you control, that shows a great command of a sort of analytic sort of investigation. Once you have a problem and you philosophize it, you sort of show the extent or the parameters of the problem, then you want to go to textualization, right? That's what we do in this class. That's what you do in all aspects of critical thinking. You're always basing it on something. So you start with a problem, and then you turn to a text. You say, okay, this is the problem I'm looking at, and I'm going to use this text in order to explore this problem. Okay, that is the key move. And so you want to be able to transform, or what I like to call technologizing a text into a tool. So a text is not a sacred object. It's not, the author isn't, king or God, and you don't have to accept everything that they're saying, right? An author is a person who writes a book who is looking at a problem through the book. And so what you're doing is just, doing the same thing, technologizing the text, right? Treating the text as a technology or an app or a software in order to investigate a problem, right? And so that's textualizing, right? So you have the problem, and then you turn to the text. I'm going to use this text, and the more specific you are, the better. I'm going to use these specific parts of the text in order to understand the problem or investigate the problem. Okay, so you show your command of the text, that you've read the text, that you're able to work with the text, manipulate the text, technologize the text, right? That's the key move, but that's really what you want to be thinking of in terms of text, and that's what textualization is, right? Your ability to technologize a text in order to investigate a problem, right? So that gives you a great amount of freedom. So, you can use any text to investigate, any problem, right? As long as you say what the problem is, and then you show how the text will be used, right? So, you could say, I want to, look at the problem of love or something, right? And I'm going to investigate the problem of love by using Karl Marx and Friedrich Engels' Communist Manifesto. Now, this is pretty counterintuitive and startling and a surprise, but you can do it. You just have to conceptualize and organize it in the right way. So always think about that, textualizing or technologizing the text.